We have been seeing, unfortunately, sadly, turtles' eggs everywhere.
A lot of the people out here just showing up to take it all in.
This is what fuels the hurricane. The heat from the sea surface.
Let me ask this lady right here. So you're out here. Why are you out here? Obviously, you know that we're dealing with such a dangerous storm.
Yes, just to see the ocean.
So about a few hours ago, we bought this here bed frame off of a lady named Gypsy. Thought it was only right to name her after her, in honor of her, really. We got a rudder like you wouldn't believe. Why'd we go with the camouflage theme?
That's the only thing that I had on
For a new friendship.
Alright, see there's the seas we're looking to venture out on today.